Stock photos are often licensed by stock agencies for specific use, such as magazine publishing. The photographer gets paid a commission from the sale.
Case studies of photos are used. To provide 5 tips on how to take attractive stock photos,
The 5 tips are: 1. Eye contact. 2. Sense of scale. 3. Cultures and festivals. 4. Flowers cultivated in Myanmar. 5. Flowers held or sold by locals.
Tip number 1 is eye contact, which communicates with the viewer, hence making the photo attractive and interesting.
A Myanmarese father gave permission for Dr. Singh to take his photo. Eye contact makes this an attractive stock photo.
Photos of the flower vendor and street artist are dull and uninteresting owing to the lack of eye contact.
Tip number 2, sense of scale photography. Include people or vehicle in a photo of a building will give a sense of scale, letting the viewer appreciate the size of the building.
Tip number 3. Cultures and festivals.
Cultures and festivals of Myanmar always create interest in stock photography.
Attractive stock photos may involve flowers and people, for example. 1. Flowers cultivated in Myanmar. 2. Flowers bought by locals for prayers. 3. Flower vendors in markets selling flowers to locals.
For example, cherry blossoms are cultivated in Taiwan as ornamental trees, well composed, and positioned images of the pretty pink flowers make attractive stock photos.
Tip number 5, flowers held or sold by locals.
End of case study.
Special thanks to Dr. Thet Himyu Kia and Miss Katharina Lee for sharing their photos for me to create a useful case study.